Hello there, nature enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting adventure into the wild. Today, we journey to the western United States to meet a charming creature, the gray-footed chipmunk. This small yet fascinating animal is known for its distinctive gray feet and lively behavior. You'll find this little fellow bustling about in a variety of habitats. Whether it's foraging for food or scurrying around, the gray-footed chipmunk is always on the move. From the scrubby bushes of the grasslands to the shady slopes of mountainous forests, the gray-footed chipmunk calls these places home. They are incredibly versatile and can adapt to different environments with ease. These chipmunks are quite adaptable and can be found in elevations as high as 3,000 meters. Imagine the resilience needed to thrive in such diverse conditions. Though they prefer areas with ample ground cover for hiding, they don't shy away from venturing into our parks and gardens in search of a tasty treat. Their curiosity often leads them to explore human habitats. Keep an eye out. You might just spot one darting through the undergrowth. These quick and agile creatures are a delight to observe in their natural settings. Now, how would you recognize a gray-footed chipmunk in the wild? Picture this, a small furry creature with a body length of about 20 centimeters, not including its bushy tail. As their name suggests, they have grayish-brown fur on their back and sides. But here's the distinguishing feature, those striking stripes on their fur. Running down their back are 5 dark stripes, a stark contrast to the lighter grayish-white stripes that border them. These stripes aren't just for show, they provide excellent camouflage, helping them blend seamlessly into their natural surroundings. The gray-footed chipmunk is a diurnal creature, meaning it's most active during the day. As the sun rises, these tiny creatures emerge from their burrows, ready to start their day. It spends its waking hours foraging for food, scurrying through the undergrowth, and always on the lookout for danger. Their keen senses help them detect predators from a distance, ensuring they stay safe. Their day begins with a burst of energy, searching for seeds, nuts and fruits that make up their diet. They are particularly fond of acorns and berries, which provide essential nutrients. These busybodies are also known for their burrowing habits. They dig tirelessly, creating intricate networks of tunnels. They excavate elaborate underground tunnels that can extend up to a meter deep. These tunnels are not just simple holes, they have multiple chambers and exits. These burrows serve as their homes, providing a safe haven from predators and a cozy place to store food and raise their young. The burrows are also temperature regulated, keeping them warm in winter and cool in summer. Section 4, a chipmunk's menu, from seeds to surprises. The gray-footed chipmunk is a true omnivore, meaning it eats both plants and animals. While seeds, nuts and fruits form the bulk of their diet, they also enjoy a variety of other foods. They aren't afraid to add a little variety to their meals, making them quite the adventurous eaters. Insects, bird eggs and even small vertebrates like lizards occasionally find their way onto the menu, especially when other food sources are scarce. This adaptability helps them survive in various environments. Their foraging behavior is a sight to behold as they meticulously search for food. They have these adorable cheek pouches that they use to store food, almost like nature's little grocery bags. Imagine little furry grocery bags. They stuff these pouches full of goodies and then scurry back to their burrows to stash their bounty. This behavior is crucial for their survival, especially during the colder months. They stuff these pouches full of goodies and then scurry back to their burrows to stash their bounty. This ensures they have enough food to last through the winter when resources are scarce. Section 5. The chipmunk's place in the web of life. The gray-footed chipmunk plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Their seed-burying habits make them important dispersers of plants and trees. By burying seeds and forgetting about some of their stashes, they inadvertently help new plants to grow. Of course, they are also a source of food for predators like hawks, owls, snakes, and foxes. Their presence, therefore, helps to support the delicate balance of life in their natural habitat.